Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through a complete tutorial on securing your internet with Dark Tunnel VPN. First, we'll show you how to download and set up a Slow DNS config, and then we'll create a V2Ray VMess server and configure it on Dark Tunnel VPN for maximum online security and speed. In today's digital world, staying safe online is more critical than ever. While many VPNs offer convenience, Dark Tunnel VPN stands out with its customization options, allowing you to optimize your internet security. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who value their privacy. Let's dive in. Let's start by downloading the Slow DNS config file. 1. Open any web browser on your device. 2. In the search bar, type UDP and Slow DNS files and hit enter. 3. From the search results, click on the official UDP and Slow DNS files website. 4. Once on the homepage, click the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. 5. Select Slow DNS config from the menu. 6. Choose the option labeled Dark Tunnel Slow DNS and wait for the countdown to complete. 7. Once the download button appears, click on it and select the latest config file. It will download to your device in seconds. Now that you've downloaded the Slow DNS config, it's time to configure it in the Dark Tunnel VPN app. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. 2. Search for Dark Tunnel VPN and tap to install the app. 3. Once installed, open the app and tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner. 4. From the menu, select Config File and tap Import. 5. Locate the Slow DNS file you downloaded earlier, select it, and import it into the app. 6. After importing, return to the home screen and tap Connect. Your Slow DNS server will connect, ensuring secure and private browsing. Next, let's create a V2Ray VMess server. 1. Open your browser and type UDP Custom into the search bar. 2. Click on the official UDP Custom website from the search results. 3. Once on the home page, open the menu, 3 horizontal lines and select V2Ray Slow DNS server. 4. Choose your preferred server location, and you'll be redirected to the account creation page. 5. Enter your username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. 6. Note down your server details as they'll be needed for the next step. Finally, let's configure the V2Ray VMess server in Dark Tunnel VPN. 1. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app on your device. 2. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Config File. 3. Click Import and choose Clipboard to paste your V2Ray server details. 4. After importing the configuration, go back to the home screen and tap Connect. 5. Within seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will connect, providing you with a secure and fast internet connection. And that's